Are you constantly thinking and planning about work, even on the weekend? Do you find it difficult to relax, even on a break? Well, I used to be in that spot years ago. I would be constantly thinking about work, even on the days when I should have been relaxing. So that's when I learned a very calming breathing technique from my guru, which not only helped me relax, but also increase my productivity on my work days. Hey guys, today in Meditate with Me, I will show you how you too can relax and feel motivated for the coming week rather than dreading it. Come, let's start. The breathing technique involves Anulom Vilom variation. Everyone knows about Anulom Vilom. This is a variation of the same. You know, this technique helps to reduce stress and anxiety, instantly calms you down, and very importantly, it helps to reduce high blood pressure with regular practice. To get started with Anulom Vilom variation, all you need to do is sit cross-legged in Sukhasana the way I'm sitting right now, or you can sit in a chair and practice the same. Keep the spine straight, shoulders roll back and down, belly relaxed and your chin parallel to the floor. Take your left hand in Gyan Mudra, tip of the index finger touching the tip of your thumb. Place the back of your left hand on your thighs. Now, the right hand will be in Vishnu Mudra. Keep the index finger and middle fingers at the base of the thumb, while the other fingers are straight. We will follow the breathing ratio of 3:6. Place the right thumb on the right nostril and seal this nostril completely. Begin by inhaling for 3 counts from your left nostril. Now close both the nostrils and exhale from your right for 6 counts. Now inhale for 3 counts from your right nostril. Close both the nostril and exhale for 6 from your left. This completes 1 round. This way, practice 5 to 7 rounds on a daily basis. You can also increase the breathing ratio to 4:8 after weeks of practice. Now it's time you meditate with me. To practice Anulom Vilom variation, all you need to do is sit in a comfortable position, spine straight, shoulders roll back, chin parallel to the floor. Take your left hand in Gyan Mudra like this and right hand in Vishnu Mudra like this. Now keep the right thumb on your nostrils and inhale for 3 from your left nostril. So inhale, 2, 3. Close both the nostrils and exhale from the right nostril. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale from your right nostril for 1, 2, 3. Close both the nostrils and exhale from the left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it's time you breathe normally and focus on my voice as I guide you through positive affirmations. I have everything I need for a happy life. Creative solutions come naturally to me. My body is calm and relaxed. I release and let go of all my negative thoughts. go of all my doubts. The past is over and I am at peace. Each and every part of my body is absolutely relaxed. I am free and filled with happiness and ease. I live joyfully in the present moment. All is well in my world. Chant these affirmations daily for 3 minutes in the morning and evening. You can repeat each affirmation 2 to 3 times, either in your mind or out loud. I really hope this weekend meditation helps you feel relaxed and rejuvenated. Not only this, it will help you feel fresh and motivated for the coming week. Make sure you consult a medical practitioner before you try this at home to know what is right for you. Before I sign off, here are some affirmations you should chant while meditating or whenever you feel like reconnecting with yourself. I have everything I need for a happy life. Creative solutions come naturally to me. My body is calm and relaxed. I release and let go of all my negative thoughts. So are you planning to meditate on the weekend? Do share your thoughts with us and keep watching this space for more such content.